Hey, I'm Vincent. I make videos for the internet, and I'm also studying radio, TV, film in college, so I can one day enter the entertainment industry. And one of my most crucial assets, my personal computer, is unfortunately going to shit. The thing doesn't close, and that's pretty crucial to a laptop being able to function. And I need a laptop for school, so this video includes me discovering that the computer is fucked, complaining about how the computer is fucked, and getting really pissed off. So if you like rant videos, this one's for you. I will have a GoFundMe in the description because I'm broke as fuck and my job doesn't pay me enough to have disposable income to pay for a new computer. So anything helps. Thank you. Enjoy me losing my shit. No! No! Dude. Dude. This fuck ass. Something broke. Oh no. Oh dear God. What the fuck? And I just click it back together and what the fuck? Is this computer cursed to stay open? What am I can't do? What the fuck? What the fuck? I thought this computer was done giving me problems. I can't close it. The whole plastic piece here popped off. I don't know how to pop it back in. It's all fucked. Like this specific spot here, and I can't. Dude, I don't fucking know what his issue is. The fuck? Like I can't. And see, I try to close it, and then this part and this part pop off, and I don't fucking know. Why is it focusing on my cat? I know my cat's cool as fuck. Dog. What it looks like if I try to close it all the way. I don't know what the issue is. Did it break? Did it break off? Because it doesn't look like anything. I'm trying to be very careful with this because holy shit. It doesn't look like there's any like actual breakage. It just looks like something came unclipped, question mark? What the fuck? Dude, I was just trying to close this and my cat wouldn't sit on it so I could go fucking change my laundry. Ah! Okay, so everything still works. Oh my goodness. It's stuck like this. It won't. So everything is fine, right? Here. Fuck off. Everything is mostly fine if I leave it like this. I don't know what the fuck happened here. I don't know what the fuck happened. I was just thinking, oh, it might be nice to have an extra computer, you know, have a desktop one here that I can work on my schoolwork here and have this one I bring to classes. I can't do shit with this. Okay, so everything looks perfectly fine. Like I chiropractored the fuck out of it. Let's try pisses me off, and she looks perplexed. Like what the fuck is the problem? It's not connecting, and it's all plastic. It's just all plastic little pieces that are popping out, and they're losing its shit. What the fuck? This thing's $1,000. What happens if I try to close it all the way? Is this? I'm gonna actually lose my shit. I need this. Please, Speed, I need this. I need this to do my J-term class. Please, my mom. Nothing about my mom. I mean, my mom's has a roof over her head, if for those who get the meme, but what the fuck? Dude, this thing, I've had this thing for like 5 years, and I've had this thing since 2020, like fall of 2020, so only is good like that. It is only good within these few degrees. I can't. What the hell? To my knowledge, everything's still functional. Like the screen, the display, everything's fine. It can't close. and I don't know how to get this, like, to stay together. Just, like, gotta chiropractor the fuck out of it, and it's slowly just falling apart, and I can't get this to stay. I can't get this joint to stay together. It's just cheap fucking plastic. They make this $1,000 computer out of fucking cheap plastic. Boy, I'm done using my computer, my laptop, for the time being. Let's try and close it. Oh, isn't that fucking wonderful? There's a single thing I can fix. I'm gonna start crying and sobbing and whining like a little fucking baby. Like, I have to hold this fucking piece together to actually close it or open it, and there's nothing I can do because the piece I need to get to fix is right there. It's right underneath there. It's two plastic pieces that are together like that. I can't do shit about it. What the fuck? It's not even moving anymore. It's paralyzed. Oh, look at that. Look. Oh, it's gonna show us. No, stop. You're 5 years old. You can't be doing that. No. Age of consent is 18. Can't be doing that. It's not like these stupid fucking pedophile goddamn tech billionaires give a shit anyway. They're gonna go to Epstein's Island and then fucking scam the fuck out of their goddamn customers by not making a decent product that's gonna last. If I spend $1,000 on a piece of technology, I expect that to last my entire goddamn life. I swear to God! I swear to God! It's not gonna fucking be popping off the goddamn edges. I didn't do shit to this computer, and guess what? Because this shit keeps breaking, it's fucking. I mean, its warranty's already been expired. And I mean, because I've had to fix this shit before. Oh, look, the factory seal is broken. We can't do anything about it. We can't do anything. Oh, fuck you and your entire family. We can't do anything. I hate modern technology. I hate it. Oh, let's make it out of cheap fucking plastic. At MSI or Steel Series or NVIDIA or Intel, all those fucking buzzwords you want to put on my goddamn computer to convince me I have a decent product. Oh, I spent not just $1,000, but $1.25 grand. It's $1,000 on a discount. So this computer is probably worth like $1,500 at its time of purchase. And no, I'm not buying it for longevity. I probably thought, oh, let's make this out of cheap fucking plastic so we can use it and think everything's fine. And all of a sudden, oh, time to throw this shit out in the landfill because you can't fucking close it. It's a laptop. It's a laptop. That means you close it, right? Oh, it's two pieces. It's the computer and it's the keyboard. And then you close it when you're done with it and you want to put it away. No, you can't do that. No, here's all of its inner workings if you're ever curious about how your computer worked. So you can't close your computer, just gotta sit there open for fucking ever, isn't that right, Izzy? So your cat can jump all over it and then break it some fucking more. I can't do shit! I can't get anything, I can't catch a break! I just fixed something on this fucking computer. There's Legos in this computer. There are Legos in this computer because this thing's so fucking broken. It's not built for longevity whatsoever. I couldn't plug it in. I'm sure many of you have seen that fucking video. I try to plug it in. Oh no, the charging port's gonna fall out. You can't do shit about it. If I want to even take this to get fixed, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna carry it. Like, oh please, sir, may I have some more? Oh please, my child, he's very sick. I can't even close it. Izzy, you are probably as old as this computer, and you're just fine. Nothing's breaking on you yet, right? Right? No, you're just fine. And so you can just sleep on this thing because you think it's a reliable piece of technology. Here's the thing, Izzy. This thing is a fucked up piece of shit. Can't rely on the technology industry because they want me to buy a new one. Because it's planned obsolescence. Let's make these really crucial. I'm so sorry. There's spit all over my phone. These really fucking crucial bits of plastic latched together with literally the most flimsy ass fucking. Look, one of these is like $1 pencils. This plastic, one of these is more sturdy. Look, I can bend it. Look, it'll close. Oh, I'm trying to close my laptop. Oh, look. Oh, look. Oh, see, it's not broken. I'm even trying to break it. It's not fucking broken. Oh, how about we make my fucking laptop? If you're gonna make my laptop out of plastic, I'm trying to close my laptop. Trying to close my fucking laptop. My computer's stuck like this. Like, am I ever gonna be able to close it? Oh, look, I'm done with my computer. I thought it was all done for when I heard a fucking breaking back here. But look, it's just a stupid, cheap-ass plastic fucking latch. Look at that shit! Just take it in! That's what's holding this $1,000 piece of machinery together! This fucking plastic on this pencil it probably takes me more effort to take this apart. Like, oh look, this is actually meant to come off. Look, I have to twist this off, pull this off, whatever. Actually, same amount of effort for that to come popped loose. It's the same fucking plastic latch. What the fuck? I'm losing it. I am fucking losing it. What am I supposed to do? How could one possibly fix that? I want to be able to close my computer that I paid for. I want to be able. What the fuck just happened? What was that? Did you see that? Like, this whole thing lifted up. It all lifted up. It's all up. Because because I can't. Here, let's inspect. Inspector Gadget. Enhance. I said enhance. Ooh. Get in! Our computer's fucking broken, get in! Get in! The fuck? Why? God! She's just been watching do all this. Bottom line is, I pay for a product. I want it to be able to function. What you just like bobbing your head? Well, am I like spitting some straight facts? If I pay money for a product, I want it to be built with something that's not the fucking most basic plastic latch. It's all click back together. Cause the whole computer is focused on this stupid plastic latch. So if I try to fold it down, everything pops up. Oh, wait, let's hold it. Let's. Fuck! What the fuck? I'm so cooked. I need this for school. The beautiful thing is this computer is completely and utterly functional if I just leave it like this. Every single thing here is seemingly intact. So I'm like, oh, let me just close my computer. You hear that? It's like about a fucking chiropractor's office. I'm not in a chiropractor's office. I'm in my office trying to do my work. And I'm over here fucking chiropracting the fuck out of a computer that I can't close, that is specifically designed to close. So now my cat's just gonna lay on it and probably fucking break it some goddamn more. What a beautiful, awesome world we live in. For fucking corporate greed. I just turned you all the way off. All the way off. All the way off. Go to sleep. Christ almighty. Jesus. Yeah, and yeah, just let me know, because I don't know how the fuck to fix this thing. Just sat through that entire thing, and if you got here, you also did. So we both know what the hell we just watched, which was a grown man losing his shit over a cheaply manufactured technology that he was overcharged for. Well, he was a child. But yeah. I guess the joke's on me for buying an MSI laptop. MSI, I've gotten shit on my computer science majors like, MSI, bad computer. I'm like, oh, this is fine. This works fine. I might try and get a new one soon if I have the money. But no. Apparently, the physical thing itself is falling apart. It's all just shit itself. So yeah, like I said at the beginning of the video, I put together a GoFundMe. I feel like a fucking loser. Maybe I am. Maybe someone will be like, actually, yes, you are. Shut the fuck up. Okay. Try being in college. And if you are in college and still call me a fucking loser, then okay, then maybe I am. Who the fuck cares? World we live in where we can just beg for money on the internet. Maybe someone out of the kindness of your heart. If you need some sloppy in return, I legally can't say that. Yeah. So that's the situation I'm in. People have probably been waiting a long time to see a video from me on this channel. I was convinced to post on this channel instead of a Clips channel because it would probably get more traction, probably be more likely to actually get something out of it. Tell you what I've been prepping, okay? Because this setup is, you've probably seen some stuff. I have stuff planned. I have stuff that I want to do. I have stuff that I have written down. I have... Woo! So we might be seeing some live streams soon. I mean, I still have my camera. Yeah, shout out my loving and really cool family for getting me practical gifts I can use. Fortunate for that. Very unfortunate that this happened. I literally have zero idea, because it's great now. I mean, I think this thing could work as a stationary thing, but I'm in college. And you know what you need to do in college. You need to bring something. You need to take notes in your class if you want to be any sort of smidgen of successful. So, yeah. This is my cat, Izzy. I'm kind of fostering her. Spelled I-Z-Z-E like the drink. She's been the beautiful diva in this video. And, yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing more content from me. Hopefully higher production quality and just consistency. Consistency. Have we ever seen that on this channel? Yeah, hopefully that's coming in. She gets to enjoy her $1,000 belly warmer. So, yeah. If you can donate, great. If you want to comment or share or something, some sort of engagement with the video, let me know you enjoyed. Let me know. That's a really cool looking cat. You're freaking cool, dude. Alright, thanks for watching. I suppose this is for real this time, because I would always say this as a joke, but subscribe and give me all your money.